Here I'm trying my portable dish clothes washer. 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of socks, 1 handkerchief, 2 pairs of underwear, and 1 pair of light gym type shorts. And I have it on the, what do you call it, wash cycle now for 6 minutes with biodegradable soap. And I'm using, it used about 3.5 to 4 gallons of water, I'm guessing. I used a white bucket in the background to fill it, and you can see the spin cycle element tub to the left of the washer. Got it plugged in to camping power. Could have it plugged into my generator if I was running that. And that's my transfer bucket for the water. And there's a 6-gallon jug that I had full. It's about a third full now. And I pull it from the water spigot on this. And to rinse out, even though it's biodegradable soap, I want to dump it in my Blue Boy type item down underneath there. I think you can see it. And then my son's, I'm dog sitting for my son at the moment. He's camping next door. Alright, that's it for this video.